What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been an extremely long time since you guys see this beautiful face, but rest assured, it's been for a very good reason. I'm finishing my second year up in medical school and it's going very well. So I took a brief hiatus from the YouTube scene and focused on that for a little while. But we're back with brand new videos. I have a lot of great videos in store for you. I actually picked up a few new products that you guys will see on the channel very soon. So if you want to see those videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel just by clicking that button somewhere around here. You know where I'd be at. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all for following. But without further ado, let's get to the video. Roll the intro. Alright guys, so I've been getting messages, people asking me to do a what's on my iPhone video. I actually enjoy watching these type of videos, but my iPhone is very weird because they have a lot of tech products in my room. Also, I'm a medical student, so a lot of the stuff on my phone right now is focused towards school, but I do have some other apps on my phone that encompasses some other things you guys might find interesting. So if you think this video might entertain you, stay tuned. All right, guys, let's get to the video. So if you see my phone right now, I have everything laid out in a stepwise fashion from the stuff that I use the most to the stuff I use the very least. So let's get directly into these applications. And you guys already know one of the first apps we have on our phone is all our social media stuff. You can't live without the YouTube app. How you gonna be a YouTuber without the YouTube app? It makes no sense. What do you think, Yanni? Can you have a YouTube channel without a YouTube app? No. So the first thing I got is the YouTube app, and with that I also got the YouTube Studio app to cover analytics and stuff like that, and the YouTube Tracker app. But these apps have been a little buggy lately because YouTube have changed their analytics and how they report stuff. So a lot of these apps are actually obsolete. So let's go into the next thing we have on my phone. I have the Instagram. I have a couple of different Instagrams. You can follow a few of my Instagrams. I'll put links to them right around here if you want to follow me on Instagram. Like I said, I'm actually doing a giveaway. It's almost over now because we're over 100 subscribers now. Yes, you can clap. Thank you guys. So this is just Instagram. We already know, guys already know what Instagram is. And then we got the Safari browser, which is like the browser that comes with the phone. Everyone uses that, but I also use the Chrome one too. Facebook Messenger, just to communicate with family and stuff while I'm away, because like I told you, I'm a medical student, so I really can't use my phone on the island. I can only use like messenger apps, and this one of the apps that I use is the Messenger app on Facebook. Then we have Twitter. Actually, I'm not a big Twitter person. I used to tweet a lot when I was younger, but I really don't tweet as much. But again, if you want to follow me on Twitter, I'll put that link right here. Feel free to follow me on Twitter. I'll try to do better with the Twitter stuff, but I'm just not a big Twitter person right now. Moving on along, guys, NordVPN is my lifesaver. Like I said, I use NordVPN exclusively when I'm across seas in school because I actually got some of my information, my credit card information taken my first semester in school. So what I did was I got NordVPN. Actually, I'm not logged in right now, but I got NordVPN and I haven't had a problem with any of the security when it comes to my phone. Definitely need to get a good VPN service. If you guys don't know, the VPN is a virtual private network. It masks your IP so people can't really hit you, take you out, take your money, take all your finance, take all your information. It hides you. NordVPN, in my opinion, is the best VPN app on the market right now. Let's keep it moving. What else do I have? Oh, GroupMe is just a messenger app. I really use this for like big group messaging sessions. Like at my dad's church, we have a praise team. They have everybody communicating at one time. I use this application right now. I'll send one message out, everybody get it. No excuse why you're not coming to rehearsal because it's a messaging app. I haven't really used it in a few days because I've been sending more text messages out, but it's one of my favorite apps. Moving along, Facebook. You guys know about Facebook. Snapchat. Snapchat's one of my favorite apps. Again, if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, there's my little, what you call it, Yanni? That's my snap code right there. See, she knows more about Snapchat than me. That's my snap code right there if you want to follow me on Snapchat. All right, guys. So then I have followers just to see who's following me. FaceTime and the WhatsApp. WhatsApp's another messenger app. If you guys don't know about WhatsApp, like I told you, I'm on the island, so the only way I can communicate with my family is through this application right here. Those are the apps I use excessively the most. I use it more than anything. Moving on to, this is just finances and stuff right here. Cash App, virtual wallet, Credit Karma. Make sure your credit good. You don't want to Metric credit app, if you want to buy a thing, keep your credit. Credit Karma is one of my favorite. Also, Credit Sesame is a really good one, but I like Credit Karma better than Credit Sesame. Venmo, money service, PayPal, money services. And I actually been getting into a lot of the investing stuff lately, so I downloaded Robinhood and Acorn. I'm not too hip on both of these topics, but I want to get better with investing, and Robinhood and Acorn is one of the top rated investing apps on the Apple Store right now. So if you haven't seen it, check it out. Then going to my music apps, the standard Apple Music app, you guys already know some of the music I'm listening to. My music ranges from gospel to country to hip hop for more like workout sessions and stuff like that, but the basic music app. I do have a Spotify. I also have a Pandora, but you can't use those apps overseas without using the VPN, and you can't use a VPN sometimes at the college because they block VPNs. So I took those apps off my phone for the time being. Then you have the headphone app. This is for all the Sony stuff. If you haven't seen my Sony videos, they're right there. The Sony WF-1000X Mark IIIs and the WH-1000X Mark IIIs. Sony, you know better. Yes, so this is an app for you can customize everything with your Sony headphones. And then it's the same thing Music Center for it too. Guys, I have a lot of apps on my phone. Then going to all my photo apps. Honestly, you can't be a YouTuber or any type of social media influencer without a bunch of photo apps. You see Photoshop Express, Spark Post, Lightroom, Filmic Pro, Movie Pro, Camera, Photos, Photable, Fabulous, Cut Story, SquareFit, ta-da. But let's go into some of my favorite ones. Spark Post is one of my favorites. I don't want to open some of the apps up because I think I started editing some pictures and I don't want to open those up yet. Lightroom is a really good one also. This is one of my thumbnails I was working on in Lightroom. You guys already know Lightroom is a really good app. You can see that right there. Filmic Pro. I actually want to get better with Filmic Pro because I try to record with Filmic Pro sometimes. Say hey, Yanni. Hi. You'll be on the video because it's screen recorded right now. Yes, Filmic Pro is a very good camera app, but I'm not really good at using it yet. It's a lot of settings you have to adjust to get the most out of it. I want to learn more with Filmic Pro. That's that. Then Photable, another photo editing app. Fabulous, another photo editing app, and the rest of them are just video editing apps. Of course, Apple TV. The good thing about, I think Apple TV gave us free a few months of that. I'm not pretty sure, I gotta check that out, but I couldn't use it over there for some reason, but I'm gonna try it very, very soon. This folder right here, extras folder, this is just some of the random stuff, you know, the Apple stuff that we use and we don't use, we use when we feel like using it. Yeah, that's that. Lifestyle stuff, calendars, books and stuff like that. I'm actually a big book fan, so I read a lot of books, whether it be for school or whether it be in my own leisure. The current book I'm reading right now is Huckleberry Finn, and that book is crazy. I read it a long time ago, but I was so young that I didn't really pay attention, but reading it now is so crazy. All the motifs and all the underlying stuff is really hilarious actually if you read the book. Kind of racist though, but it's still a good book. They took it out of schools, right? You guys don't read it in school no more, right? They took Huckleberry Finn out. Subcount. Cirrus is my favorite wallpaper app. Every wallpaper you see on my phone comes from Cirrus. I did a app of the week videos. One of my first videos I did was on Cirrus. I get all my wallpapers from Cirrus. Very, very good app. If you haven't seen that video, again, it's right there. Cirrus is a really good wallpaper app. My Wi-Fi is being trashed, so it's not pulling it up right now. But Amazon, guys, I spend more money on Amazon than anything. Anything you see on the channel, I bought it from Amazon. Smart home stuff. I actually only have 2 apps for my smart home stuff right now because I'm in the process of changing a lot of my smart home stuff. But one of the ones I have is called Aurora LED. And I don't know if you can see it, but, oh yeah, you can see a little, yeah. You see like right here, the light changing? Yeah. Those are these little lights I found from Walmart. Very, very cool. It's like a Philips Hue tube light knockoff. But guys, like I always say, you ain't gotta spend $1,000 to have a very good setup. I'll be showing my setup very soon, probably after Christmas, because I wanna get a new monitor, do a dual monitor setup, and do a few different things before I do a desk review or a room tour, because I've changed a whole lot of stuff. You haven't seen my desktop setup? Once again, it's right there. You know you wanna click on it. But that's the app for that. And Amazon Alexa. My other Alexa is back at home, but my sister's gonna throw me something right quick that we just bought maybe an hour ago. So this is the Echo Show. My dad actually bought this for me, guys. I told you, I'm broke. I can't afford this kind of stuff. So my dad bought me the Echo Show. I'll be doing my first impressions on this, and that'll be on my desk setup also. So I'm looking forward to testing this out. The last Echo that I had, catch it, was the Echo Spot. It served me very, very good. But the Amazon Alexa app just lets you customize every single thing about the Amazon Echo and make it your own, which is very, very cool. So I plan on having everything in my room controlled with Alexa. I'm sorry if I trigger y'all stuff, I know. With the A word and having everything connected. So the rest of my stuff now is more so medical school stuff. Amboss, Quizlet, Firecracker, Google Sheets, USB Step 1 RX, UWorld, Cram Fighters, a anatomy app, Blackboard to stay in touch with school, and the Bible app. Because you know, when we're in school, boy, you gotta have that Bible app because you be going through it. So, then we have an instrument tuner because I'm a musician at my dad's church also. I play piano, but I also play bass. So to quickly tune my bass, I quickly go to this app and listen to it and tune it by ear. Productivity apps is one of the most important things on my phone because I try to get the most out of your day. Being scheduled and being organized helps you make the most out of your day. You got 24 hours a day, but you sleep, what, 8 or 9 hours, so you gotta maximize the time you're awake. So a lot of this stuff in this app right here is for school and productivity. You got Microsoft Word, you guys know what that is, I'm gonna talk about that. Notability, I talk about notability on what's on my iPad, back to school must have videos. Flora is one of the most popular apps that people often use. Flora is it's an app that utilizes the Pomodoro technique. If you don't know what the Pomodoro technique is, I'll leave a description in the, I'll leave a link to the description box about what the Pomodoro technique is, but it's basically a technique that says you can only focus for about 30 minutes before you start spacing out. So the Pomodoro technique tells you to study for about 30 minutes at a time, take a 5-minute break, study for 30 minutes at a time, take a 5-minute break. So what this app does is it locks your phone and prevents you from going to other apps while you're studying. So for a 35-minute period, I'm just doing focus study or focus whatever I'm doing without touching my phone. And while you're doing it, your tree is growing. You plant a tree. They really will plant a tree for you if you want them to. But I haven't done that yet because I haven't really gotten to the app. I just grow my tree. You can see, let's go to my garden. Let's see if we go to my garden. Right here. See, I've studied my garden. Trying to show you my garden. See, this is all the stuff I planted right here. I haven't used it today. Oh, here's my garden right here. Within the last 2 days, I've studied 16 hours and 40 minutes. And I've grown so many things. So you plant a tree, don't touch your phone, and it grows up, and then you can touch your phone afterwards. If you go out the app while you're using it, it says your tree is gonna die, and you're a bad person if you kill trees. So let's keep going. That is Flora. iStudies Pro, I talked about that as a scheduling app. YouTube thumbnail maker should have been in other things, but just make thumbnails. Documents, unzip, for Dropbox and files, so just for management, productivity. Google Drive also. LS Manager is basically an app where you can hide all your passwords, all your files and stuff that you don't want anybody to get into. You can hide them in there and that password encoded. Health and fitness is one of my favorite things. MyFitnessPal, you guys probably seen the app before. It's nothing but an app that allows you to track your macronutrients that you eat throughout your day. A Tabata counter is a workout counter that splits your workouts into segments. So you do this for this long, this for this long, this for this long, blah, 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 blah. Yes, that's that. iWellness, this is a smart scale that I actually have at school. It links with your phone, smart scales. You guys want a good smart scale? I'll leave a link in the description, and that's an affiliate code. So if you want to buy that specific one, just click my affiliate link, and I get a little bit of kickback from it, not much, a little teeny bit. And you got the Apple Health app and the Activity app. Last but definitely not least is utilities. So this app just covers all the other random stuff that I have, like my File Hub, Rep 5 Hub, File Hub, my GoPro, DJI Go, and Tile app. The Tile app is one of my favorite things. I lose my keys all the time. Go to the Tile app, open it up, click her up right there, and it finds it very, very easily. So guys, like I told you, my phone is, you know, it's random. Like I have so many different things on my iPhone. So I try to cover everything I need, because if I lose this thing right here, guys, I don't know what I will do. But that is what's on my iPhone currently. Thank you guys for sitting here and going through all this stuff with me. If you enjoyed the video, do me a huge favor, press the subscribe button and be tuned for a lot of videos that we got coming up soon. This is T.W.E.B. We out. Press the button.